The Safety Learning Network is bringing professionals with skill sets together with business owners and employees, collaborating around safety processes and the things that we need in businesses.
We still strongly believe that education and training is such an important aspect of farming and the prevention of injuries.
It's given them practical and direct solutions to particular challenges for an immediate impact.
The best part of being involved is they've brought new ideas and thought patterns to the front. We all know about QR codes and just didn't think about putting them on our safety options. But doing a video, videoing me or my staff or my managers how to operate that machine, they can check it themselves.
It's been really interesting to hear the responses of people engaging with the program, that they were often aware that there were safety challenges but didn't have the resources or the knowledge to address those challenges.
So the videos that we've created for our workers and future workers, we are able to email that to them, and the purpose is to see the job done professionally and safely so that when they come and start work, they have an understanding of what's involved and what's required.
We worked on developing a training module. Our presentation includes our workers. It's them in the images, it's them doing the doing, so we can use that to get them to understand why the safety is important. The best part about being involved with the SLN has been working together with the other farms and having those open conversations about what do you do and what can we do, sort of bringing safety back to the front of everyone's mind again. The value of WorkSafe getting involved, I think, helps break down the barriers between WorkSafe and employers and businesses, that everyone's actually here for the same purpose. We all want to send people home safely, so working together to do it, it's just going to have better outcomes.